Hey guys, welcome to the video. It's me, and in this video I will show you how you can enable face tracking in Roblox, which is an amazing feature actually that follows your face with a camera and adds that face motion, that face tracking to your in-game avatar. So it's actually fairly easy to do, and once you have done it, it will be super easy, you will see. For that, of course, I already got into my Roblox account. I will go into now my settings. In settings, there are a lot of stuff. Of course, always remember to verify your email address. The verification process is fairly simple, but you should add an email address and verify it to make sure face tracking works perfectly and without any errors, any problems, or anything. So, if you have done it, we will check the settings. Security, nothing about this. Privacy. That's what we are. After getting into privacy settings, you will see right now account restrictions are disabled, which is actually ticked off. So these are right now good. This should be ticked off because if you open this, you will not be able to see a lot of stuff. So if you like to enjoy the game, this one should be closed. We will go down here and of course open our camera inputs. Of course, it will use your camera to animate your avatar with your face movements. If your parents put a pin to the game, you will have to enter the pin and unlock. Of course, it will say, do you want to enable this? They say that they do not store your information, so it's good. We will enable this. So right now, it is ticked off. So when it's ticked off, while we are in the Roblox, like the game itself, we will able to go into settings and see that it is actually open. You can change the camera in game if you have multiple cameras, but like me, like you, probably everybody has like one or two cameras, like a webcam or like a phone they can use as a camera. So of course you don't need to do anything in game other than just to open the camera input from here. And if you have done perfectly everything that was in the video, your face should also be tracked and added to your avatar in-game. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, of course you can always subscribe and like the video. For any other problem you might have, you should probably check the channel to see if we solved them or not. And of course, take care, have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.